everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Smitha. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can achieve this stunning smoldering smoky eyes look in no time. It's a beginner friendly tutorial. So sit back, relax and enjoy. The first step is to use a concealer to prime the lids. Now I usually use a lighter color concealer, but today I'm using a deeper shade of concealer, which is going to be my base. The one that I'm using is the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Concealer, and this is in the shade Deep Dark 200N. As usual, I'm going to apply it on my lids and even it out using a concealer brush. And you guys know that I usually set my concealer with a translucent powder, but today we'll set this with a brown eyeshadow. I'm going to be using the Morphe 35F palette. I'm just choosing an earthy brown shadow from this. Using this flat fluffy brush by Milani, I'm going to set this concealer. And then using a soft blending brush, this one's from Folklore, I'm going to blend out and diffuse the edges. Make sure to take your time to blend this out, and if you're using a good quality eyeshadow, this should melt into your skin tone in no time. With a flat shader brush, I'm going to use the same brown eyeshadow throughout my lower lash line as well. Next, I'm taking some black eyeshadow with this rounded pencil brush, and I'm going to simply place the eyeshadow in the outer corner. I'm just going to dot it there and also in the outer half of my lash line. And then using this small tapered blending brush by ColourPop, I'm going to blend it out so it melts into the brown eyeshadow. Now, the reason I'm using a small tapered brush is because I want to blend out the black eyeshadow but keep it within the brown eyeshadow. I don't want to buff it out as much as I did with the brown eyeshadow. That way we get a nice ombre of colors from a deeper shade at the lash line, and as it moves upward and outwards, it becomes lighter. And then with the pencil brush, I'm going to use the black eyeshadow in my lower lash line as well, but I'm going to keep it very close to my lash line and not blend it out as much as I did with the brown eyeshadow. In my waterline, I'm going to be using a black eye pencil. This one's the Jordana Easy Liner in black. So now you can see that as it moves closer to the eye, the colors also get deeper and darker. And as they move outward, it gets lighter. I'm going to finish up by curling my lashes and applying a coat of mascara. And it's that easy. Now, if you want false lashes, you can definitely attach them. But because this is a beginner-friendly tutorial, I just wanted to stop at mascara. I'm going to pair this with a beautiful nude lip by Ofra Cosmetics in Las Olas. And over this, I decided to use a nude lip gloss by ColourPop in Crushin'. And here's the completed look. Super easy and looks so classy. You can pair it with any outfit. And I hope you found this useful. Let me know in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. And do check out the description box for all the products that I used today, as well as links to my social media. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye, guys.
This twisted is all in my head, 'cause darling, I know you're the one for me. These voices that taunt me